let's unbox the AIKONIC AI Note. This is the AI Note and the magnetic case. This is the magnetic ring and the accessory box. The accessory box contains a charging cable and a Type-C adapter. Now let's power it on. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The startup is completed when welcome is displayed on the screen. Now let's start downloading the dedicated app. Click on the App Store, search for AIKONIC, and start downloading. The app installation is complete. We open the AIKONIC app. For the first use, we can click Register. Enter a valid email address. Click to create an account. Now we have sent a verification code to your email. Check the email in your mailbox and enter the 6-digit verification code received. After completion, click Verify Email. Now let's set the account password. The account password needs to be at least 8 characters and must include a combination of numbers and symbols. After setting the password, we can click Continue to enter the main interface. We can also use Apple ID or Google account for quick login. Here we take using a Google account as an example. Just follow the steps to enter the account and password in sequence to complete the login. Now we have entered the main interface. Click the blue plus button in the upper left corner. We started to connect and bind with the device. After searching for the device, click the link to complete the connection and binding with the device. We have completed the connection and binding with the device. The upper left corner has changed to the device status icon. After clicking, you can view device-related information and settings. Now we slide the button on the upper left of the device to the right. The device will enter recorder mode, and the screen will display record. In this mode, you can place the device in your hand or on the desktop to start recording. After putting the device into the magnetic case, we can directly attach it to the back of the phone. If your phone is equipped with a designed case, you can also use it with our magnetic ring. Slide the button to the left to enter call recording mode. The screen displays call. In this mode, the device can capture the vibration of the phone and provide accurate sound recording. Click the circular button on the right to start recording. Click again to end recording and save. We can also perform recording operations in the app. Click the purple plus button below, and we start recording. After recording, click the Save button on the right to save. In addition to voice transcription, we also generate a summary for you at the same time. We also help you with the next work analysis and the mind map of the recording content. You can export the summary content at any time. We support exporting 3 formats, including TXT format, DOCX format used by Word, and PDF format. After the export is completed, you can quickly share the exported content with your friends via email, WeChat, WhatsApp, etc. Let your friends experience your wonderful and quick summary content. AIKONIC AI Notes podcast feature allows you to grasp core information anytime, anywhere, driving effective action. First, select the audio file you want to process from the documents list. Then, in the top function bar, locate and click the Podcast tab. Next, select the language you want the AI summary audio to be in. Click the Generate Podcast button. And the AI will intelligently process the file in the background, condensing your long content. Once processing is complete, you will receive a notification. Now, simply click play to listen to the AI refined audio essence in just a few minutes. If you wish to share with your team, tap the share icon. Select Export Audio in MP3 format and easily send it via email or messaging apps. For global collaboration or international meetings, language is no longer a barrier. AIKONIC AI Live Translation feature makes communication seamless. First, set the other party's language and your language. Tap Start Translating to connect the app. Please pause for 2 seconds after speaking and after translation. Now you can speak in turns. The app provides two-way voice translation instantly, ensuring accurate communication Start your AIKONIC AI Note live translation now to achieve high-efficiency communication. AIKONIC AI Notes. Apple Watch, phone, and computer together form the voice hub of the AIKONIC voice agent. AIKONIC AI Note seamlessly integrates with the Apple Watch, offering you the convenience of one-tap recording. Open the app, tap the red microphone, and start recording instantly. While recording, stay focused on your dialogue, not the screen. Once stopped, the file will automatically sync to your mobile app. The green icon confirms the successful upload. Even if the sync fails, you can easily retry the upload by tapping the blue arrow. After recording, switch to the mobile app to enjoy AI-generated smart processing, including summaries, to-do lists, and mind maps.